Welcome to within. There is nothing outside of you that you need. The light, the clarity, the wind have always lived within. Handling large amount of money feels normal to me. I notice how calm my body is today. No rush, no inner noise, just a quiet certainty. I'm on my way to the bank, not excited, not nervous, simply present. Money does not create pressure in my body anymore. As I move, I feel my posture. My spine is straight, relaxed. My steps are steady. There is weight in my body, grounding. Reassuring. I feel my feet connecting with the ground. I am not floating in anticipation. I am anchored. This is important. Because a large amount of money respawns stability. Entering the bank, nothing to prove. I enter the building. The air inside is cool and natural. I notice the sounds, soft voices, footsteps, quiet movement. My nervous system stays calm. I am not shrinking. I am not expanding. I belong here. My presence feels appropriate, normal. I am not asking for permission to have money. I am interacting with it as part of my life. The body responds. No adrenaline. I stand in line. My breath remains slow. My hands are relaxed. There is no rush of adrenaline. No urgency. I don't feel watched. I don't feel judged. I feel competent. This is what maturity with money feels like. The moment of handling cash. When the money is prepared, I feel it in my hands. There is weight. Real. Tangible. My body registers it without shock. No tightening in my chest. No rush in my heartbeat. I notice how natural this feels. Money does not overwhelm me. I am able to hold it physically and emotionally. This is an important shift. Identity. I am trusted with resources. I realize something quietly. Life trusts me with resources because I am grounded, because I am responsible, because I don't panic. I don't need to rush to spend. I don't need to hide. I move at my own pace. Money adjusts to me. No guilt. No fear. There is no guilt in my body. No old stories about too much or not deserving. I feel clean inside. Money feels clean here. Natural. Supportive. A tool, not a test. Leaving the bank, returning to life. I leave the building calmly. The outside air feels warmer now. Life continues. Nothing dramatic happened, and that is the point. Abundance integrates quietly. I carry myself the same way. My shoulders relaxed. My breath steady. This is how wealth becomes sustainable. Leave idea for today. Today, I notice how my body reacts to money. If there is tension, I soften. I remind myself I am safe handling large amounts, and my body believes me. Handling large amounts of money feels normal to me. It is normal to me. Handling large amounts of money feels normal to me. Handling large amounts of money feels normal to me. Handling large amounts of money feels normal to me. Handling large amounts of money feels normal to me. Handling large amounts of money feels normal to me. Handling large amounts of money feels normal to me. Handling large amounts of money feels normal to me. Handling large amounts of money feels normal to me. Handling large amounts of money feels normal to me. Handling large amounts of money feels normal to me. Stay here for a moment. Let this state settle into your body. Carry it with you. Within, the light is already yours.